I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the folder you will lock. Pick desktop or documents so you can find it easily. Once done, create a text file inside the folder. You will use it to build the lock command. Make sure to save and close the file. You also need to verify your user account has admin privileges because later steps modify folder attributes. If you do not have admin rights, sign in as an administrator or request access before proceeding. You now write the batch file that toggles access. Paste the prepared commands into Notepad, replace the folder name placeholder with your exact folder name, then save the file as lock. Bat, ensure the extension is bat.txt. Once saved, run it once to test behavior. The script will set hidden and system attributes using a trib, then prompt for a password, so hide the batch by moving it outside or renaming to a less obvious. You finish by testing unlock. Run the unlock batch and enter the password exactly. The script will remove hidden and system attributes so you can access files. Once verified, store a backup copy on external media and restrict who can use the batch files. Remember, this method obscures, it does not replace encrypted storage. If something goes wrong, check for hidden TXT extensions, confirm you ran as admin, and inspect attributes with a trib, if needed. Restore from backup and redo steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.